snowstorm. So yeah, let's get ready. I cannot believe. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe that I have to live in this car. Like, yes, it is a good, pretty car, but still, I do not want to live in a car. Good that I'm going home now. Like, not home, my hometown, but still. Right. So let me just get to her car and yeah. Alright, so let me just, oh my god. That? Oh my god, but I can barely see her. Guess like this will do. Right, like this, yeah. Okay, I guess I'll turn my lights on, cause I cannot drive without lights on. Okay, so now let in the cold in my town, but still apartment. Why is it snowing in the middle of summer? But still I'm so cold, so much better. Much better. After she's done unpacking, like it's so fun, yeah. Oh, it's so cold. I know. Oh. Guys, I just looked on the app which shows if there's a snowstorm, it's gonna rain, whatever, and it's a snowstorm. What? Yeah, that's why it's so cold. Nah, I am changing out of this. I was really in the top in some jeans. Much better. Yeah. Okay, so I'm so hungry, so I'm gonna make something to eat. So yeah. Okay. Right. After she's done making her food, because it's hard, alright? Oh. What? Oh my god. That was delicious. I know right. Alright. This is so good. Alright guys, see you in part 2. Because I have to go and write. Because I have some writing at home. So I don't believe I just woke up for nothing. But still, I'm going to McDonald's. I'm so hungry. Mate. Oh no, I'm not gonna bring my Stanley. I'm gonna bring this drink, which is really good. And wait, I forgot my keys. Why does your phone just do that? Okay. That's that. Oh my gosh. Okay. Now, guys, just pretend like it's white outside. Oh, now I'm ordering takeout. Oh my god. I cannot believe how I just wanted to go outside. Like, wowie. Okay. So, put my phone there. Put my keys in my wallet. There. No. There. And then let me change real quick. Okay, put these there and put that. And because I have a heater, let me just like bloop, put heater on. I'm gonna be in this because it's not cold, but it's not like hot. So yeah, Alright, so let me just order McDonald's because I have not, because I'm not home and I can do whatever I want. And tonight I'm putting an all-nighter with my friends and I'm doing a party and a sleepover. Hey, 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 hey. Mom. Alright, y'all. See y'all in part 4. No, 3. Part 3, yeah. So, bye, guys. So I deleted so I deleted part 3. So basically, they came. She ate McDonald's. Her friends came and they're doing a disco party right now. So yeah, disco. I say disco. You say party. Disco party. Alright, guys. So because I cannot pause it, y'all are gonna enjoy my face reveal. Yes, I am doing a face reveal for my members. So yeah, I am gonna do some members. So yeah, but for now on, I am gonna y'all enjoy that. Okay, so where is it? Okay, it's at the 2nd floor. I remember me when I had to say goodbye. Remember you when I asked who would I. When you ask me who would I did a good. I know how to Plus I had not dog. Alright, so we need 1, 2, 3, and 4. Because it's gonna rain. It's gonna be it's gonna be a storm. So yeah. Know about rainstorm, thunderstorm, and snowstorm. If there are other storms, please tell me in the comments. If YouTube does not, Tukera Sarua. Guys, why is it so cold? I do not know. Okay, so let me just put everything. Okay, that. Yes, you do have one. Well, remember I gave something to that girl. Wait a minute. It's gonna be really foggy outside here, and because it's her house there. Okay, I forgot it. And there is also gonna be some rain. So yeah, it's gonna be a storm, with rain and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna put this in here. Wait, y'all. Those are balloons. Just pretend like it's raining everywhere. And this is also everywhere because, it deleted whole parts. 2 whole parts. Okay, so basically all her friends went home except her twin. Because her twin can visit because she's just in another this was a hole in the wall and they put wood this with this little hole. So yeah, and the side is really crazy, and the hail was in their apartment. So yeah, in her apartment, not in there. Bum bum boom bum boom bum. Pum pum pim pum pam pum pam pam. Booty da di do da da. Booty go de bo da da. Boom boom. Boom 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 boom. Boom 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 boom. couple days later. This is a couple days later, and she's not here. Just pretend like she's not there. Okay, now let's put that there and that there. Ignore how I just showed you I'm almost at a face. So good that yeah, but still, and today I have to go home and I'm really excited. So yeah, okay, bye guys, see ya, bye, love ya. And also I'm gonna do free role plays today, I hope, but yeah, so y'all are getting VIP. So yeah, and also it's because in a couple days you won't really like see me do role plays because I'm grounded and I just like post a little. So yeah, and also she's moving, so yeah, bye.